Have you ever seen a robotic arm move precisely or a toy car's steering turn perfectly? That's all thanks to a servo motor. Let's explore what it is, how it works, and why it's so useful. What is a servo motor? A servo motor is a special type of motor that can move and stop at precise angles. It's not just about spinning, it's about control. Think of it like a robot's joint, moving exactly how and where you want. How does a servo motor work? Inside every servo motor is a simple DC motor that spins. These gears slow down the motor to make movements smooth and controlled. The control circuit tells the motor how far to turn. A sensor inside checks the motor's position and makes sure it stops at the right angle. For example, if you want the servo to turn 90 degrees, the control circuit ensures the motor stops exactly there. How do we control a servo motor? Servo motors are controlled by a special signal called PWM, pulse width modulation. The length of the signal tells the motor what angle to move to. Where do we see servo motors? Robots. Servo motors help robots move their arms, legs, or heads with precision. Toy cars. They steer the wheels to make the car turn. Remote-controlled planes. Servos move the flaps to control flight direction. Home gadgets. Some automatic doors or camera mounts use servos to move. Why is it useful? Servo motors are so useful because they move precisely. You can control them to stop at any angle, like 45 degrees, 90 degrees, 80 degrees. So a servo motor is a powerful tool for precise movements, making it perfect for robots, toys, and machines.